This video will show you how to pair the pagers, how to turn off the pager beep, and how to change the pager beep time. Now we can test. The pager number is number 8 now. If we want to change the pager number, we can press a delete button and call button at the same time. It shows F1, and then we press number 2. It shows F2, and we press call. Now it will show a number 001, and the pagers will flash like this. We can input a new number like 88, and we press call. Now all the pagers will change to number 88. We can test. See, now the pager number is 88. If we want to change it back to number 8, we press and delete button, call button at the same time. Shows F1, press 2, shows F2, we press call, and we input number 8, press call. We pick it up because it is number 8 again. We can test later. I input number 10, we press call, we'll pick up number 10. Number 12, press call, we pick up number 12. Number 6, we press call, go back, we can test. Number 8, press call. See, this pager is number 8 again. Now we will change the pager beep time. We press and hold these two buttons. Shows F1. Press 4, shows F4. Press call. Now we are in F4. It shows a number 030. If we press call, now all the pagers will beep and shake for 30 seconds when called. This shows F4. We can go to F4 again. We can change the number. We can change it to 20 seconds. And we press call. Now all the pagers will beep and shake for 20 seconds when called. Now we will turn off the pager beep. We will go to F3. F1, press 3. F3, press call. It shows 001. We change the number to 000. And we press call. It returns to F3. Now we test. The pager still beeps. After we change the number to 0 in F3, we have to pair the pagers again, so they will not beep. We can test. F1, F2, press call. Number 8, press call. Go back. Number 8, call. See, now the pager can only shake and flash, no beep, because we already changed the number from 1 to 0 in F3. After we change the number from 1 to 0 in F3, we have to pair all the pagers again, so they will not beep when called. We can restore the beep. Still, we have to go to F3. F1, press 3, F3, press call, 0, 1, input 1, 001, we press call, and we test, number 8, no beep, because after we change the number in F3, we have to pair the pagers again. So the function in F3 can be activated. F1, press 2, F2, press call. Number 8, press call. Go back. Number 8, call. See, now the pager can beep, shake, and flash.